Zhejiang Lever Technology Co., Limited was founded in 2009, headquartered in Haining, Zhejiang. It's a high-tech enterprise specializing in the innovative design, manufacturing, and marketing of PV mounting systems. It occupies a land area of 35,000 square meters, boasting a modern production-based sophisticated equipment and a professional technical team. Lever is dedicated to delivering efficient and reliable PV mounting solutions. After 16 years of development, it has emerged as a key player in China's PV bracket sector, with products exported to over 50 countries and regions across Europe, America, Asia, and Africa. Lever's core business focuses on the design, manufacturing, and export of PV mounting systems. Its products feature wide-ranging applications, including stable and flexible ground brackets tailored for large-scale ground power plants, lightweight and easy-to-install roof brackets designed for industrial, commercial, and residential rooftops, floating brackets for water surface projects utilizing anti-corrosion materials and a modular design, carport brackets integrating PV power generation with parking functionality, optimizing space utilization, tracking brackets equipped with intelligent tracking systems to maximize power generation efficiency. Moreover, Lever offers customized solutions to promote the ubiquitous adoption of clean energy. Lever insists on the goal rooted in China, serving the world. Its products have gained significant market penetration in developed economies of Europe and America, including the United States, Germany, Spain, Italy, and emerging markets like Brazil, Chile, and Saudi Arabia, establishing a global customer network. Lever has established its own warehouse in Europe to implement localized warehousing, a strategic move that has significantly shortened delivery cycles, strengthened supply chain stability for customer service, and further enhanced customer satisfaction and market competitiveness. Lever's R&D team comprises professionals with deep expertise and extensive experience, dedicated to cutting-edge research and development. To date, the company has secured over 30 patents and established partnerships with multiple universities and research institutions, fully integrating cross-industry resources to drive technological advancement. Guided by the philosophy technology drives a green future, Lever remains committed to innovation, with annual R&D investments averaging over 5% of its operating revenue. Lever is dedicated to intelligent optimization, material innovation, and diversified scene adaptation, including that developed advanced AI algorithms to optimize tracking bracket performance, enabling automatic angle adjustment to maximize sunlight capture and enhance power generation efficiency, engineered high-strength, lightweight aluminum alloys and corrosion-resistant galvanized steel materials, significantly improving bracket load-bearing capacity and service life. Design specialized brackets for harsh environments such as deserts and coastlines, capable of adapting to complex terrains and climates. Through continuous R&D, Lever has upgraded product quality while reducing costs, further reinforcing its market competitiveness. Lever adheres to international quality benchmarks, operating a comprehensive multi-tier quality management system. It has obtained ISO 9001 certification, ensuring that every product life cycle stage from raw material sourcing to production and testing strictly follows international standards. Additionally, Lever has secured multiple prestigious international certifications, including CPB, TV, and ATL, underscoring the global recognition of its product quality. Lever envisions becoming a preeminent leader in the global clean energy sector, committed to making solar energy more efficient and accessible. Focused on RTE of PV mounting systems, it continuously drives technological and industrial upgrading. In the future, Lever aims to further expand its international footprint, deepen strategic collaborations with global energy enterprises, and contribute to achieving carbon neutrality objectives, thereby playing a pivotal role in global sustainable development.